Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? If you've been with me these past few weeks, you know we've been exploring some of the classic villains of both TV and film animation. We're going to continue that journey this week by drawing a couple of the animal villains from film animation. Starting today with that powerful yet evil snow leopard, Tai Lung, from the movie Kung Fu Panda. If you're familiar with the movie, then you know Tai Lung wasn't satisfied with just being a great kung fu master. He longed to be the powerful dragon warrior. But due to his true evil nature, he was passed over for that honor. In the end, it took the true dragon warrior, Po, to put Tai Lung in his place, which in our case is being worthy of including him in our villain drawing series. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw the evil and powerful Tai Lung. We're going to draw Tai Lung step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, evil Tai Lung is roughly 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his evil head is, his entire evil body is roughly 3 of those. Okay, so let's start with that roadmap for Tai Lung. So there's our roadmap for Tai Lung. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put this evil one's evil eyes, nose, muzzle, and mouth. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the dark-hearted Tai Lung's features. Okay, so they're the roughed out features of Tai Lung. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Tai Lung. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Tai Lung. Alrighty, there he is, the evil, powerful snow leopard Tai Lung from Kung Fu Panda. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Tai Lung before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Tai Lung or adding all of his spots during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the evil Tai Lung. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, add all those spots and color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Tai Lung. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. Speaking of which, as we draw some of these classic villains, I've been encouraging you to come up with your own cartoon villain. Maybe they're evil kung fu masters. Maybe they're more in line with Maleficent or Snidely Whiplash. Or maybe it's a combination of some of them. Whatever the case, draw it, name it, and post it as well. See what you can come up with. I hope you'll join me Friday when we draw another villainous animal. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.